Hi geeks, welcome to College Coders YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to create a Java project in Eclipse. So without wasting your time, let's get started. So to create our project, first of all, we need to open Eclipse IDE for Java. So if you want to know how to install Eclipse IDE in Windows 10, then I have already made a video over it. You can watch that video directly from the I button, or I'll provide you the link in the description box. Click on Eclipse ID. After that, you will get this window. Then click on File. Then click on New. After that, click on Java Project. Here, we have to provide the project name. So I am providing project 1 for my project. After that, you can see use default location. So it is the location of our workspace that we have created in the last video. So if you want to use the default location, you can check this, or you can uncheck this and select any other location in the memory. And I'll keep it to default. After that, it's asking for execution JRE. So I have installed JDK 17. So it's selected Java SE17 by default. You can change it from the list. After that, you can use a specific JRE for your project. Then click on Finish. After that, click on this to window restore button. Here, click on this new button. Then click on class. After that, provide name for the class file. So I am providing Java. After that, it's asking for modifiers. So I want to create a public class. So I'll keep it to default. After that, which method stub would you like to create? So I want to create a public static void method. Check on this. After checking on this, it will automatically create a class with public static void main method automatically. Then click on finish. So as you can see, it already created a code with public class Java and public static void main method. After that, we'll write a code that is system.out.println hello. After that, go to this green button that is run. Click on it. As you can see, it provides the output that is hello. So this is all about how to create a first Java program in Eclipse. Thanks for watching the video. Please like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon for further notification.